Hello, good morning. This is your daily outlook for Wednesday, the 6th of March. The euro gained ground against the US dollar, currently at 130.57, and the dollar is losing ground just ahead of the non-farm payroll data later today. A possible worse figure in employment will mean more quantitative easing for longer as the Federal Reserve tries to pump growth into the economy. On the other side of the Atlantic, the ECB is expected to keep its rate constant at 0.75% as the European recession looms on following the uncertain political stage. The US 500, which tracks the top 500 US corporations, reached its highest historical level as monetary expansion finds its way to equities. WTI crude rose to 91.01 after higher demand from Asia pushes up energy pricing. At the same time, Venezuela's probable change of government will have an effect in one of the world's largest crude suppliers. Weekly option volatilities for the euro-dollar dropped from 10 to 9.4 as investors greed returns and option premiums fall. Now let's take a look at what the currencies are doing this morning. The euro-dollar pivot points at 130.10 with a preference to enter into long positions at 130.10. The dollar-yen pivot points at 93.50 with a preference to enter into short positions at 93.50. The Aussie dollar pivot points at 102.40 with a preference to enter into long positions at 102.40. The sterling dollar pivot points at 151.80 with a preference to enter into short positions at 151.80. And the dollar CAD pivot points is at 102.50 with a preference to enter into long positions at 102.50. Looking at commodities and indices. The oil pivot point is at 90 with a preference to enter into long positions at 90. The gold pivot points at 1587 with a preference to enter into short positions at 1587. The silver pivot point is at 2905 with a preference to enter into short positions at 2905. The US 500 is at 1517 with a preference to enter into long positions at 1517. And the UK 100 is at 6350 with a preference to enter into long positions at 6350. And of course, for more up-to-date information, please visit us at easy-forex.com. And watch out for these market movers. In the US at 13:15 GMT, we have the ADP non-farm employment change expected to rise by 172,000. In Canada at 1500 GMT, we have the overnight rate forecast to remain at 1%. And we have the US crude oil inventories at 1530 GMT, forecast to rise by 0.9 million barrels. And our pair of the day is the sterling dollar. The sterling corrected previous losses against the US dollar, moving at around 151.25. The sterling found support at 150 after the Bank of England's decision to expand transactions. As resistance, the sterling has to break above 151.90 to show consistent gains. Thank you for tuning into our Daily Outlook. We look forward to seeing you again tomorrow. I'm Emma Andre from the Easy Forex Dealing Room. Have a great day.
Not only have you found a great place for Forex news, you found a great place to trade it. Registration is easy. Just click Join Now. Membership has its unique benefits, such as the freeze rate, the trade simulator, the inside viewer, and personal dealers. Your personal account manager waiting for you now.